everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the July VillaBeautifful kit, Whimsical Rainbow. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with this month's pouch. The entire basic kit was packaged inside of here, so you know it's got a lot of room. Got transparent front with a VillaBeautifful logo at the bottom. Mine has already started to rub off a little bit. You've got a zipper closure at the top, and then a really pretty glittery rainbow print for the back. And it's very, very sparkly. I love that. And next we'll take a look at the larger journaling cards. We've got a 4x6 and a 5x7. And this month's kit is a designer collaboration with Whimsical Cat Studio. So this whole thing is very kawaii. And if you know me at all, have followed me on Instagram, you know that kawaii is not my thing whatsoever. But that's the great thing about VillaBeautifful kits, I think, is it's not a subscription. It's all pre-order. So if one theme isn't up your alley, you don't have to sign up for it. You can sign back up the next month if something is more your style. So I just wanted to be clear about that in case there's anyone saying, you know, well, before you said this, yes, this may not be my style, but it is very cute, and I would still like to show it off because I know there are a ton of people in the planner community who do love this style, and that foiling is really gorgeous. And next we have the smaller journaling cards. So we've got 5 of those, all with foiling as well. So here's the first one. Life is so much better when you're laughing. Dance it out. Believe. You are beautiful. And love more, worry less. Next up, we've got some puffy paper clips. You get 3 in a pack. And these are on rose gold paper clips. That's cute. So you got the little envelope with a bow, a little kitty cat, and I actually love this mug with a rainbow. I'll definitely be using that. So cute. Next up, we have a couple of pin loops. We get 2 in this package, a silver bow and a gold rainbow. And these are really simple to use. You just peel off the paper backing and then you can stick it onto the side of a dashboard or a journaling card or divider, and then put your pin into this little elastic piece. And next up, we have this month's enamel pin, and I'm really excited about this one because of the tiny little bow detail and the glittery cloud. It's just so pretty. Next up is this month's sticky notes, which is a very large panda holding a rainbow heart, and the eyes and the heart border are all foiled. Next up, we've got a package of adhesive pockets, and I love every single one of these. So we've got the tiny one that has a foiled bow, and then a medium one with foiled stars, and then this larger one has foiled clouds on a rainbow. So, so pretty. Again, really simple to use. If you haven't before, you just peel the backing off. You've got the tacky back here, which you can put onto anything that you want, onto journaling cards, dividers, dashboards. I've seen some people put it directly onto their planners, depending on which kind of planner you have, like an Erin Condren or a Happy Planner, something with a harder cover. And then it's just a great place to stick die cuts or washi cards, anything like that. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at this month's sticker book. You've got the kit title over here and then kit date here. And then we're going to start with the full boxes. So I'll give you a close-up look of all of those and try to catch the foiling as well. And then you've got your circle icons and some labels. I like this font, that's really pretty. Okay, then we've got some more full boxes and clipboards. A few quarter boxes down at the bottom. And then we've got this page of half boxes with foil. And then some headers, labels, little washi labels down here. You get a full page of deco. I really like those bows and the stars, very pretty. Oops. And then we've got date covers. Look, the little boxes have bows on them too. Some arrows and some more labels. And then you get a couple of tabs down here, which I like to use on the side of my weekly spreads just to mark what week it is. And then we've got some checklists, some flags and banners. And then the back page is the Hobonichi kit. Or, you know, monthly planners, personal planners, any of the tiny ones. It'll work for those. And then on the back, you get a little overview of all of the sheets that are included. And this month, we get 2 skinny-sized washies in the kit, so I'm going to open those up and roll them out a bit. All right, so here is the first one. So we've got rainbows and clouds, hot air balloons, pins and planners and bows and luggage and photos and maps. I mean, this one has all kinds of cute little details on there. And this is a second roll. It's got lots of foiled hearts, some cats and donuts, watermelons, candy and cake, lollipops, all kinds of sweet treats on this one. And of course we have this month's kit pin. So we've got rose gold hardware, kind of a lilac-y, pinkish purple shade for the barrel. And then on the crystals, we've got some yellows, greens, blues, and that's either a very pale pink or clear iridescent in there. Either way, very, very pretty. And we got a ink refill with this one as well. There are more in the shop you can buy individually though if you need some backups. Okay, so lastly I'm going to flip through the paper pack add-on. The first of the 4 sheets we have here, we've got bows on one side and diamonds on the other. And then we have this kind of brushstroke print on this side with florals on the back. And then here you can see kind of some rainbows filtered out in the background. That looks really cool the way they did that. And then this one has stars, a rainbow, and then a really pretty cloud section at the bottom, which I think would look great to cut down and like stick one of these pockets on there. Maybe not that one, maybe the stars or something different besides, you know, the same print, but that's what I'm probably gonna do with this one. And then the last of these 4 is this really cute cloud print. I love this. And then the background is my absolute favorite. I love this, the shades they used. I mean, so gorgeous. So you get these 4 decorative 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock pieces, and you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. So for this month, we get 2 vellums. We get the foiled bows, and then foiled rainbows. And these are all part of the paper pack add-on, which you can get in addition to the basic kit whenever you go to pre-order the kits each month. And that does it for this unboxing of the July Whimsical Rainbow VillaBeautifful kit. Check out the description below for links to the VillaBeautifful website and Facebook group. My Instagram link and all my discount codes are there as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.